Hello sir, myself Sai Shrikar from Mechanical A. I along with my teammates Anantagam and Harshvardhan are going to explain the working model of hydraulic bridge. Hydraulic bridge incorporates an integrated hydraulic system into the bridge in order to carry more weight, and it is a new concept of bridge building. In this bridge, the main force is directed in the horizontal direction. This system is most suitable and it can be easily controlled by the computer. For non-electronic self-adjustment, the system has a possibility which entails low maintenance cost and reduced safety risk. And the main function of this hydraulic bridge is it raises to pass the boats beneath it and it crosses. So there are three types of hydraulic bridge: bascule bridge, vertical lifting bridge, and swing bridge. Now I request Ananta to take forward.
Thank you, Sai. Now I'm going to talk about the advantages of this bridge. Some of the advantages are it provides smooth and accurate acceleration and deceleration. It has safe and easy operation. It has the ability to carry varying loads, and positive locking in any condition is also an advantage for this bridge. The law behind the construction of this bridge is the Pascal's law. The Pascal's law is a principle given by the French mathematician Blaise Pascal that states that a pressure change at any point in a confined incompressible fluid is transmitted throughout the fluid such that the same change occurs everywhere. Thank you. That is all I have to say. Now I hand over it to Harsh.
Thank you, Ananta. Now I, Harshvardhan Shinde, will demonstrate to you the working of a hydraulic bridge. The principle behind hydraulic bridge is Pascal's law. In reality, for powering the bridge with hydraulics, hydraulic motors and hydraulic cylinders are two very important components used. Output shaft transfers the motion or force. All other parts help to control the system. The liquid used in reality is generally high density incompressible oil, which is filtered to remove dust or any other unwanted particles and then pumped by the hydraulic pump. The pressure regulator is used to avoid excess fluid to return back to the storage tank. One piston is connected to raise the bridge and the other to lower the bridge. But for this model, I have used syringes as pistons, which pushes the fluid, that is water, through the silicone tube, raising one end of the bridge. And I have used the second syringe as the piston to raise the second part of the bridge similarly. Thank you. Hence, we conclude our project.